So the 3.5 problems on applications are exactly like the ones we just did in the lecture, but I just want to kind of throw out a couple of them on here just to help you set them up. We aren't going to solve them, but we'll at least set them up. So we'll look at number 20. It says if the sum of 3 times a number and 2 times the same number. So we've got a sum, and we look and see what we know the least about. We know the least about our number, and I'm going to go ahead and write that as my hashtag there, representing x is a number. And it says if the sum of 3 times a number, sum means plus, and 2 times that same number, and I'm going to put that in parentheses just to show that I'm just interested in the answer to 3x plus 2x. So if the sum of 3 times a number and 2 times the same number is increased by 1, so we're going to add 1. The result is 16. Find the number. So I'm just finding x there. In the geometry section, again, we're comparing the different angles in a triangle. And remember, when you add up the angles of a triangle, all 3 angles, you get 180 degrees. Age problems, make sure you make a table. It looks like they've given you a couple tables to kind of get you started there, and that's good. And then you've got some cell phone problems there that we did that were very similar. Just make sure that when you're doing these, you're answering the question. You're not just finding x, you're finding how old they are now, what all 3 angles are, what the total cell phone bill is, that kind of thing. So that's it for the problem set for section 3.5.